Hello, my name is Dr. Mark Lynn, and welcome to our website. You will find valuable information about my practice and the many ways that we can help you. I've been in practice over 25 years, and I've experienced and searched and studied through those years, and I believe I have found a new, effective, and complete way to manage many health conditions naturally without drugs or surgery. We specialize in chronic conditions and chronic pain disorders, and by using our new methods, we have developed successful protocols. You know, nothing frustrates me more than when a patient says to me, "Gee, doc, I wish I would have known about this technique before I had the back surgery." Or, "I wish I would have known about this stuff before I suffered all those years with fibromyalgia." The first thing you should know is we do things differently in our office. Our treatments are a lot different than anyone else's, and is not really offered in this area. Another big difference is our philosophy. We treat the whole person, not just the symptom. You see, you have to step back and get the big picture to understand a health condition. We believe in doing things right the first time, or not doing them at all. By being thorough and not cutting corners, we can give you the best possible care available. To get great results, we have to be good detectives, and that means doing all the necessary tests, whether the insurance company will pay for it or not. So what we are going to do is look at you three different ways: structurally, neurologically, and metabolically, and put these three things together so we can chart a proper course of care that works best for you. And quite honestly, that's how we get the great results that we get, and that's how we hope to get the best results for you. I would like to explain to you how we are going to look at you in a little bit more detail. When I say we're going to look at you structurally, what I mean is we're going to do the traditional chiropractic care and its ancillary therapies. Secondly, we're going to look at you neurologically, because we know most of these chronic problems have a neurological component. What I mean by that is we find that the brain is not functioning at 100%. We find certain areas of the brain have slowed down or under fire, and other areas of the brain have speeded up or are overfiring. What do I mean by that? Well, a quick example would be a fibromyalgia case, where we would find overfiring of a part of the brain called the mesencephalon. The mesencephalon is so overexcited in fibromyalgia patients, it sends an abnormal barrage of electrical impulses down the spinal cord and out to the rest of the body, causing widespread pain. These impulses also go to your organs, which can explain your heart racing, your irritable bowel symptoms like diarrhea and constipation, fatigue, insomnia, and the urinary tract infections. Now, we can detect these problems of the brain by doing simple, specific neurological tests and find these areas of the brain that are not firing properly and fix it with certain neurological exercises and techniques called BBT, or brain-based therapy. In a nutshell, it's basically rebooting the brain so it functions better and you get better. And lastly, we will look at you metabolically. What I mean by that is just your chemistry. We have to make sure your glands are working right. We know that your glands talk to your brain, and your brain talks to your glands, and control your whole metabolism. So we want to check your endocrine system. We want to check your thyroid, your adrenals, your blood sugar. We need to check your gut for food sensitivities, which can cause widespread inflammation and throw off your whole immune system. We make sure no stone is left unturned to find the cause of your chronic condition. Some of the conditions that we treat are neck and back pain, whether it be from a bulging disc, herniated disc, spinal stenosis, an arthritic disc, or failed back surgery. We have had phenomenal success with our non-surgical spinal decompression protocols. We have also had great success with the chronic pain disorders like fibromyalgia, rheumatoid arthritis, MS, the autoimmune disorders, the neuropathies. So, if you're frustrated with your current treatment or diagnosis, or you're just looking to explore your options, we have a holistic, conservative, yet powerful approach to get you to optimal health and out of pain as quickly as naturally possible. So please feel free to explore the website. From all the conditions that we treat, which is on the left-hand side of your screen, to all the testimonials from our actual patients. I hope you find the website informative, and thank you for listening.